So now that I have my three main sketches here, let's run through revolving these using the revolve tool. So the first thing I might want to do is just jump into a bit of a 3D view. So just double tap on my view cube there and get into a more 3D view. And I want to revolve each of these one at a time about my axis of revolution there to generate my main three revolved bodies. So I'll tap on Tools here and the Revolve command. And so now it's asking me to select a face or a closed sketch to revolve. So let's start with my end cap sketch here. Tap Next. And now select the line or the edge that I'd like to revolve about. So that's going to be my revolution axis there. And we can see my end cap coming in. Of course, I could change the angle I might need here, but I am looking to revolve all the way around, so 360 degrees. And tap the green check and finish it off with Done. Okay. You might want to take a look into groups here. So if I go into groups, I should right off the bat just have my one group here. So that's my end cap that I just created. By default it's named group of shapes, but maybe I want to rename this, and I'm going to rename it to something that makes a bit more sense. So I'm going to name it end cap. Okay, and then just continue on this process. So now I want to revolve my main frame, which would be this sketch here. So again, I'll go into Tools, Revolve, grab that main frame sketch, and tap Next, and then the line or edge that I'm using as my axis of revolution, so this guy right here. And then again, tap Done to finish it off. Here again, I can jump into groups, maybe add a new group here because I don't want this to be an end cap. I'm going to add a new group, and I'm going to rename this group to be, let's say, frame. And then add my new body into this group. So now if I take a look at my groups, I should have my frame and my end cap. Now notice I might want to change the colors of these as well, so I can just tap into Tools here, and down at the bottom, Color. And I want to change the color of my frame here to, let's say, a red color, something like this. Okay, so now I've got two of my bodies, and then let's just throw in that final front end cap. So that's going to be a revolve again, Tools, Revolve, tap onto my front end sketch there, Next, and then select that same line or axis to revolve about. And now I have my front cap as well, and tap Done to finish that off. Okay, finally, same idea with the groups. Tap into groups, maybe add another, and rename that to be front cap, and add that new body into my front cap. So now I have my three main shapes very quickly created just by some simple sketches in a revolve tool there. And I've also thrown them into three unique groups here. I have my front cap, my frame, and my end cap.